Hi, my name is Leanne Sia, the owner at Paper and Lux, and today I'm going to show you how I make the DIY boba balloons. Without further ado, let's get started. I start off by lining up my template pages and taping them together. Now this template is available in my Etsy shop. After I'm done taping everything together, I cut out the outline and put it onto the foam board. I trace out the shape and then I use an X-Acto knife to cut everything out. I wish that I can actually cut this fast in real life, but that is impossible to do without cutting myself. Now you might be wondering if you need craft experience for this, for building the structure, and to be honest, I've taught over 100 students already making this exact same boba cup, so I've been very amazed with everyone's outcome. Now what you are seeing here is a full 2.5 hour long workshop condensed into 6.5 minutes of this YouTube video. So if you would like more information about everything, how to do this in detail, I would like to invite you to look at the link in the description below. And now I'm just measuring and cutting down the sides of the cup lid. And with this part, you have to be very accurate or else it's going to throw the entire structure off. The great thing about this is that everything can be found at your local dollar store if you're in the US or Canada. And now for the final step, which is also the most fun one and my favorite, it's filling it in with balloons. In my workshop, I do provide a list of materials, so I will tell you where my suppliers are for these balloons. And for myself, I use high quality biodegradable balloons so that these balloons won't pop when I'm using a hot glue gun with it. I'm done the first row, moving on to the second row. The funny thing is in my workshop, this section alone takes about 1.5 hours. And for me to be able to condense it into about 4, it's very funny to watch. Now as I move up, I'm making sure I'm filling in the gaps, and this is like playing Tetris. It requires a lot of patience and just thinking outside the box a bit. For myself, I use about 7 different types of balloons in different colors, sizes, and shapes. So for those of you who are not interested in shopping around everywhere for balloons, I do sell a Boba Balloons kit as well. So that option will definitely save you a lot of time. I just added a row of ice. Look how much it shimmers. I personally love the dimension that it adds. And now for the final fill, I'm just putting in white balloons into the dome part of the cup. Now I'm just taking great care to fill in the remaining gaps of the structure, and I am pretty much done.
Wow! Amazing!
Thank you so much for watching my first ever YouTube video. If you enjoyed watching this, please like, comment, and subscribe. And again, I will leave the link to my full experience workshop in my description. And what you'll be getting from the workshop would be the template, a full list of materials, and also unlimited access to the entire step-by-step instructions on how to make this for your next boba party. Thank you so much. Take care.